Hi everyone, it's Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending July 16th of 2023. The stock was Nike. This happened on Tuesday the 11th. This is based on a daily major support area and a 60-minute DTS breakout play with an entry on a 1-minute secondary sign of strength. The management advance and reward to risk 1.7 to 1. It was a busy week last week at DTS. This week though we do have one event. It's in the middle of the week and it's one of those great educational events. Just some great trades. Come join us for that. Not my favorite topic to do. I'll explain why, or you can read the slide. But everybody seems to enjoy these, so come join us Wednesday to review some great trades from the last couple of weeks. Here is the daily chart of Nike. And the reason this made the list this day, the reason it's the trade of the week actually, is because this is one of those when I saw it the night before when I was scanning, actually I was scanning hourly charts, I think. This is on my list for that. It's one of those that that was the one I wanted to do the next day. I said that the next morning it became a favorite, and luckily you had the other necessary elements for a trade. It gave a great entry, it had the right market timing, everything else worked out, opened in the right area, so this became my favorite trade. It's not a huge winner, it's a little under 2 hours for the day, but very painless, and was entered right after the open. Here is the reason it was a favorite. You may not recognize that. It's not a great daily chart. I wouldn't take it as a swing trade or anything, but to get that bounce coming off of that prior, that is what I call major support based on an alternate definition that you may know, and it's something I'd like to see. But then couple that with the hourly chart that we'll see on the next slide. We're going to open right there. The daily chart, other than that, is no big deal. We just open pretty much flat right in there. The hourly chart is what I was scanning and what caught my eye, and after the hourly chart caught my eye, I noticed the daily confirming it like it did, but the hourly chart caught my eye because this wide range bar that came up right in here and cleared the prior day's congestion and then consolidated near the highs coming off a daily major support area. That's a great combination, and very likely if it goes over that base on a secondary sign of strength, very likely it's not going to go back under that hourly base right through here. So we got a flat open. It opens right in here, and I'm going to enter just under 106 somewhere. You'll see that on the next two charts a little bit better. So here's the 5-minute chart, giving you a little outline of the stock for the day, what it did. I end up getting an early right in there. You'll see it on the 1-minute chart. Entry over 105.95, stop under 105.50. Not a bad stop for Nike. And as you see in this one, I did not take a profit up in here. I could have, I really should have. It would have been nice. It went kind of fast. It fell fast. I was doing something else. It would have been nice to take a third. I could have reloaded. But if you didn't get this one, here's one that gave a great second entry attempt down in here. I didn't do anything. I just held it. I was doing another trade or two throughout here. So then it runs back to retest that high, and coming from that pullback, that's where I took a target 1 there, right under, as it trailed under 106.50. And then target 2, and I took a third there. Target 2 was going to be end of the day as much as I could, but coming off of this high, I decided to trail it out right here, and I took the rest of it right there. Not the best target 2. Kind of thought it was going to go higher. When it broke this 5-minute pivot, I decided to get out. It ended up closing a little bit higher, but it was the right decision to do that at that time. So overall, nice trade and managed okay. Again, I could have got this target here, but that was simply because I was doing different trades at the time, so I missed that. 1-minute chart will give you just a little better view of the entry right in here. Those of you who understand this, that is clearly the entry. It's a perfect entry. It's what made Nike just kind of a perfect trade all the way around. And the rest of the chart here is nothing new. There's the target 1, and target 2, of course, is off the chart because it was taken in the afternoon, a little after 2 o'clock. If you like trades like that, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. We plan our trades. We review them. They're trades you can generally trade along with. You don't have to have experience. You don't have to have been through the DTS seminar program. It's a great way to make a little extra money, and we're generally done the first 90 minutes of the day. Come back to manage occasionally, but usually that's when all the trades are taken. If you want to join us, go to the DTS website, figure out how you can join us in the DTS Trading Room. Hint, take a look at the subscription and services page. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.